good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good. Yesterday, what we have discussed?
Escape sequence.
Escape sequence
Sir,
was
I have some
last.
Sir,
doubt in
escape
the escape
sequence.
And
sequence.
basically, we are discussing variable and it data types. Within this, we have already discussed some of the points like, okay, are you getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please tell again what is the purpose and need of the escape sequences?
Yeah, that we will discuss obviously. So what we are discussing now, we are discussing number, means basically we are discussing variable and data type. So under variable and data type, we first started with the numbered data type. Under number data type, we discussed integer, float, complex. After that, we have started with string. In continuation with string, I think string also, as per the previous video, string concept is also clear, and within the concept of string we discussed about uh, escape sequence, right? So as you asked that what is the purpose of escape sequence, and I replied also yesterday some of the concept of escape sequence. As I said that escape sequence, some of the escape sequences are very small part of program, but it is very useful. Say some of the names I have written here, like one example I must take from here, like line change. If you have done any other programming like Java, C, C++, then also you know earlier that in here I want to write some of the code, like in Java, if we want to change line, then what should I write? System dot out dot print. If I write this much, as per Java, it's not Python code, okay? System.out.print. If I write, and if I write something within this place, then it will display something hello. So it will display hello. But if I write print ln, if I write print ln, I'm coming to the detail of this escape sequence with this one example, okay? So I must write over here. So in this part, what we are learning in Java, acha. So here I have to write what? Ln. So what is the difference of this ln and only print? If I write only print, I can't execute over here this concept because it is Java code and I am writing in Python editor. Just I am giving example. So if I write this in Java, so what we will get, that it will display hello, it will display hello, but with the line change, mane immediately print after hello in output mode, it will change the line also, as I have given a lane over here, okay? Then I am writing one first of all here I am writing one, number one is Java, it is Java, okay, as per Java. Then as per C++ or C, number two I am writing as per suppose C++, okay. As per C++, what we write? Print sorry, cout sorry, then we put one backslash n within this double quotation. If we put this double backslash n, it will change the line after print hello, okay? This is in C++. The same also in Python, that in Python what we are writing? In Python what we are writing, like whenever it is required, say print hello, then one backslash n, then hi. Then so what we are getting in each case the meaning is same. That means whenever we have given backslash n, it will change the line. Is it clear? It will change the line from that place. See here also hello and hi, between these two things the backslash n is not going to print, but as in print section I have given backslash n, so it will print hello, line change, then hi. Here also after hello, if I print something, if I print something after hello, so automatically it will change line. Okay, so after hello it will change line, then another print statement I can put over here, and if I don't give this ln over here, so it will not change the line. So these are escape sequence which gives us different type of, specifically during print statement. Within the print statement it gives us different type of facility to print or some work. Okay, this is the purpose of print this is the purpose of escape sequence. Okay, so as example I have given yesterday also one example, like print welcome to the world of Python. Done. Then world of a Python. Okay, I am writing it here. Then I am giving one slash b. Is it clear? So what I am writing, welcome to the world of Python, and I have written welcome to the world of a Python. Okay, after that I have given, after a I have given slash b. Okay, then what we are getting, see the difference. After a I have given slash b, so I am not getting the a over here. Why? Because this slash b is an escape sequence which is doing its own work, and doing its own work means it is basically erasing by using the backspace concept. It is erasing a from this sentence. Okay, so these are escape sequence we will use. There are different escape sequence which I discussed in last class. There are different escape sequence. Actually this escape sequence we will use in different program in different time. Okay, so the basic concept of escape sequence is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. Good. And whatever escape sequence I have written over here, this 10 escape sequence, we will use almost 10 by during this learning process of Python in this next few months. Okay, now next variable type which is coming, that is after escape sequence which is coming, that is I want to
Sir.
discuss bull. Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, what are the functions of the other escape sequences you didn't mention?
That I said, we are writing the initial program now, as we have started the Python course in initial stage. See, I am just giving bit example. Say backslash a. What is the purpose of backslash a? ASCII bell. Okay, now what ASCII bell? When you will learn all these things, then you can use this also. Backspace is possible to use in this initial program. Line change is possible to use in this initial program. But carriage return, we can use all this time to time, and you can also learn. Okay, this few I use
Okay,
like this. Now, variable. Yes, variable type. Which variable we want to discuss now? We want to discuss variable type bool. Okay. Bool for do you know what is bool?
Sir, is it Boolean?
Right.
True and false.
We'll see now. What is Boolean? You can write a very small note that any expression which can be true or false has the data type bool. The meaning of this sentence is clear. I am coming to the example. How we can discuss with one example this concept. Say I am writing in Boolean. I am writing, say, as example 1 equal to, just it is the meaning is clear. A variable,
Yes, sir.
acha, bool underscore 1, it is variable or identifier. Which one is preferable term to use over here? Bool underscore 1 is variable or identifier? Yes, Shambhu,
Yes, sir.
it is identifier would be better term to use, or variable only?
Sir, for bull.
Yes, bool underscore 1. That this thing written over here, what is it? It is identifier or variable? It is what? Any confusion to give answer?
Sir, identifier.
Sir, I also think it should be identifier.
Why you
It is
are
better.
thinking? Can you clarify your answer?
Sir, because it is used to represent the fact that 6 is not greater than 10 in this case. So it is used to identify it.
What we are identifying through, forget about this part. I am not asking about this part. Yes, you can use to explain your answer, but I am asking what it means. Bool underscore 1. Acha,
Sir, it represents an expression.
it is represents an expression. Okay, and it is helping to identify, that Shambhu also said. But the thing is, what in one word you tell me, it is identifier or not?
Yes, sir, it is identifier.
Then my question, how you can clarify that it is identifier? Give answer quickly. Sampriti, can you give answer? How we can clarify? If you ask me that how we can say it is identified, what would be my answer? Sampriti?
Sir, I can't tell.
Okay. Then from the list, I want to know from Manojit. From a long time I am not getting any answer from Manojit. Manojit? So I am taking it as Manojit is not giving answer as... Acha, you can't. Okay. Chalo. Next, who can give answer? That how we can clarify my answer that bool underscore 1 is an identifier. How you can clarify? If you are giving this is identifier as answer, then how we can clarify? Yes, my answer is correct. It is identifier.
So because it is the name of a variable.
Because it is a
So the name of the variable.
huh?
So name of the variable.
Name of the
So the
variable.
true-
Name of the variable, say I am writing this code again. Okay. This time I am writing x, and here I am writing chalo in place of acha chalo x. Okay. Answer is same, no difference. Then name of the variable x is also. Then how I can clarify this identifier or this variable or what actually? I think my question is completely clear to you.
Yes, sir. So whenever we refer to the x in this case or in this or in the previous case as bool underscore one, sir, this itself then again refers to the 6 is greater than 10 that value or whichever we give. So, sir, we can say that the term which you are giving there is an identifier, and it identifies with that which you have given after that is equal to sign.
Yes.
Sir, the x or bool underscore 1 at 6 greater than 10, it occupies a particular location when it is written here. That's why it can be said identifier.
Okay. Chalo. So should I say something now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Basically, identifier, as we discussed in last one class regarding this tokens, and that time I discussed about different token, and out of token we discussed first thing was identifier. And what I say, and I have given one example here also. See, this is this program and this program giving us same answer. Is there any difference? No, absolutely no difference. As per programming concept, there is absolutely no difference between these two code segments. From machine angle of view, there is no difference, but from our side, from human being side, there is difference. If forget about this thing. Now I have deleted that particular code area. Okay. Now from this code, x is equal to, are you clear before getting this answer? Before getting this answer, forget that this answer is not here. Only in front of you this code is present. Are you clear from this code that what work I am going to do? Forget about any other line, anything which you know. Forget now. And you, in front of you, these 2 line codes are there. Are you going to understand what actually going to do this code?
So we will simply tell that whether it is true or false, or if there is any operation, we will do that.
Chalo. Then I am giving one example. Explain this program. 11, number 11. Explain this program. Jyotishko.
Sir, A is an identifier which identifies a specific integer. D is also another identifier which identifies
No, this is a real-time
another
program. This is a real world program I have written to solve one real world problem. I have written this 4-line program. Okay, real world problem মানে তোমার আমার জীবনে সোসাইটিতে যত প্রবলেম আছে সেগুলোকে কম্পিউটারাইজড করবার জন্য তো মানুষ প্রোগ্রাম লেখে, তো আমি 4 লাইনের একটা প্রোগ্রাম লিখেছি। I have written this 4-line code to solve a society related real world problem. Identify that real world issue is what that real world problem which I want to solve by this 4-line code.
So addition.
Addition, so it's a common concept. Addition is required everywhere. But which real world problem I have written in this my software? I am making a software to solve a real world problem. It's a small
So calculation.
Huh?
The calculation of money of a big corporate office.
How you can clarify this? It is corporate office or something else?
So because their budget is very high.
But my target is something to write this 4-line code. Chalo, now coming. You have given one answer, and throughout the day you can give answer, because it may not match what I am thinking, because you don't know my thinking. So I am writing now the same code in different way. I think Jyotishko, now you can say the meaning. Now I am asking,
So it's population.
yes, see, now I think, see, I have not changed anything. In as per programming concept, I have not changed anything. But I have changed what? The variable names, proper variable names I have given, that as a programmer, when I am programming in my software company, I am working in a software company and I am making a software for social problem solution purpose, and you are suppose an end user, by seeing the or you are my colleague, you are also a software developer. Seeing my program, easily you can understand, okay, what is this is the purpose of this program segment. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Earlier I have not written anything, this time also I have not written any notification, but by the name I used for variable, this time it is 100% clear for my colleague programmer. This is the concept of identifier. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes. So this is a good programmer and the good programming concept, that every time when you are writing a program, must give proper name related to your program. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is identifier. I think now everyone is clear about it. Chalo.
No, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing.
No, sir.
Okay. Meet
Thank
you
you,
in
sir.
next class with some
Thank you,
new
sir.
concept. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.